Right.
Oh. I see both of them in the car now. I'll put 2 fresh ones over.
Busting the head off the EJ25.
Bolts all ready. Yeah.
Got the dipstick and sensor wires, and so that should be everything, right?
We got the bolts for the intake.
Yep. Any hoses going into it?
Now the only thing we do, we got to loosen that other side so we can have a little bit of play here.
All right.
You realize that when you, like, I don't know if it's YouTube or Facebook or I don't know what it is, but these guys that are making videos and whatnot, like that guy that dives underwater and gets all the cars and shit.
Yeah.
They get paid.
Yeah, they do.
Yeah, you can monetize your video.
Yeah. I mean, you know, my fucking diagnose on the phones is like 110%. I could fucking get a website and tell me what it's doing, I'll tell you what.
He's the same way. He can diagnose like crazy. Clayton, cars drive by and Emmanuel goes, uh-oh. And I'll be like, what? And he's like, did you hear that? And I'll be like, blah, 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 they better fix that soon.
I think so. Yeah, so it's 2.
Yeah. Well, grab the head now.
Oh, I got it.
Oh.
Try that. Bottom one?
Yeah. You should be off.
There we go.
There you go. Alright, save here, take a picture of that.
Completely blown.
Go ahead, keep the camera. Oh, she
Yeah, she's running.
Oh, she is?
Yeah.
It's running, right? Because I didn't touch anything.
Yeah.
Okay.
Should be.
The head gasket.
Yep. And completely blown out.
Yeah.
Yep. That would do it.
Right there. Right to there.
That right there would do it. Huh, looks like they're doing something, so it's got indices on it.
Those look really good. It was burning. Nice. See how that gray I was telling you about?
Yeah. Actually,
Really nice.
wow. Here, I'm gonna swap over.
Yeah, go ahead.
Get in close here.
Yeah.
It still has cross hatching. At least in, yeah. Which I'm really surprised. This motor's got over 200,000 miles.
Wow, that's crazy.
Unless it's been done, like, unless the motor's been swapped. But
So that you don't know. You know what I mean?
true.
Alright, I should have brought some rags. We don't have any rags, do we?
Give it the old plane and resurface.
Don't do this at home, kids. Go back to that, showing that's clean and that's clean.
Just got to give it a quick resurface, that's all. Machine shop's back.
Get a head gasket.
Oh, it should somewhere.
Here.
There we go, Felt Pro.
All right.
I'm just gonna edit it up afterwards. Oh, I did. That's why I was talking a minute ago.
Always good to make sure that it's started, you know. That way they don't get stripped out.
There we go.
All right, one head on. Now all we got to do is torque it down.
Grab the old torque wrench.
It's like 57 or
It's like some arbitrary number close to 57 or 8. I did 65.
All right. Set it at 65. Is this now what's this beat?
Yep. It's got a light.
So when it gets to 65 pounds,
It's gonna start beeping slow when you're approaching it, and then it'll change. You'll be able to tell. It also has a blue, or not a blue, green and red light. Handle it.
What's that right this corner? So I should hear a beep, right?
Yep.
That's good.
Keep going. Watch. Power. So that's fucking custom.
Now, I didn't see this writing on these valves on that other side, did you?
No, I didn't notice it.
Yeah.
Wonder if this head's been done.
I think the valves have been done on this head. I think they must have blew her up.
I'm gonna be
Turned
surprised.
them belt let go, and they fucking bent some valves.
It's definitely a little custom. We had a Felt Pro on the driver's side, and a whatever the hell this is on the passenger side. I guess it's a stock Subi gasket. Yeah.
Ready to go back in.
And valve cover seals, spark plug O-rings, and those stupid seals on the bolts there. Head gaskets. It's all buttoned back together. That's the mobile head gasket stand.
Now it's got to go in there. So that empty hole is.